Introducing the most advanced electric jack on the market, the PJX. This patented jack is equipped with a one-of-a-kind built-in digital scale that lets you know the weight of your tongue before you tow. This ensures your next adventure is not only safe, but worry-free. Balance better, tow safer. It features a highly efficient, water-resistant 12-volt brush motor with a lift capacity of 3,500 pounds. The body is constructed with a high-grade steel and comes with our signature wrinkle black powder coating and universal mounting plate, making it easy to install on any A-frame coupling. And with a 20-inch high extension and an actuating footplate, you can rest assured knowing that it will always rise to the occasion. So stop the guessing game and know before you tow with the all-new electric PJX. Trailer Valet. Move different.